guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how we can play video from Firebase. If for instance my app is opened, I'm going to load all the data from Firebase, and when I click on any of the videos, I'm going to play it from Firebase using our video view.
I'm blinded by your grace, by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your
You can see it has downloaded fully temporarily, so it's not really downloaded to the device, but it's came from directly from Firebase storage. So I'll show you how we can do this in sketchware using video view. So I created an app, a project called video from Firebase with my package name. According to the package name I gave in my Firebase database project name. So I configured my Firebase. In my main activity, I added a recycler view and a fab button. When the fab button is clicked, I created an intent component called IT. You can name yours anything to go to an upload activity where we will upload video. So I created 3 activities. We have the view activity and the upload activity. So in our on create, I'm setting the list view, the recycler view layout manager for the recycler view, and I'm stop listening for Firebase database. Stop listening. So this code is optional, it's not really necessary. So I created a list map called list, and I set my recycler view based on the list map. So I created a custom view called CUS with an image view. When I added my vertical linear layout, the height of my image view is 200. You can do yours anyhow that pleases your UI. With a text view, so my recycler view will be based on this, and how I do that is setting my custom view as course and added my unbind custom view. So in my unbind custom view, I use layout params block, match parent wrap content. So I'm checking if the data gotten from our recycler view contains key URL. If it contains key URL, I created a string to be equals to the key URL, that is the video URL. Then I'm going to get the video thumbnail using this code and check if the video has a title. I'm going to set text based on the title. Using our intent, I'm going to the view activity where we watch the video with these 2 keys, URL and title, and also the URL and title of our list map. In our view activity, I added my horizontal linear layout with my progress bar and my video view. My video view height shouldn't be wrap content. Mine is 300. You shouldn't make yours wrap content. So in our on create, we are setting the title of the activity should be the title of the video, and the video URL is the URL from Firebase. When the video has been prepared, we set our progress bar to be gone and we start playing the video. So when this fab button is clicked, we go to upload activity. In our upload activity on create, we are doing nothing. Then I added my linear layout vertical, a text view, edit text for writing the title of the video, a button for picking video, a text view for getting the video name from the pick video, an upload button, and the progress of the uploading video. So I created a file picker component called picker with mem type video. So this mem type helps make sure that the user has no option than to select video. It cannot upload image, cannot pick image or other type of file. So I created a Firebase storage name vid and my database URLs. So in my main activity, my Firebase database component name must also be URLs. See, that's why I store all the database for the video operation. So I created an intent component called main. So when pick video button is clicked, we pick file. We launch the intent component to pick file. So when the files have been picked, can select them, can add the necessary things that are added from here by clicking this and selecting them this way, then add. So when the files have been picked, I created a string called path. So I stored the path in the string and I created a map called map. I stored the path in a string. When the file have been picked, and set the text view. Set the text view based on the name of the video picked. So when button 2 is clicked, that is when upload button is clicked, we upload it to our Firebase storage. While the uploading is going on, we set our text based on the upload progress. When it has been uploaded, we send the URL and title to our Firebase real-time database. So we finish activity and go back to our main activity. Thank you for watching this video. You can get the blog, that is the tutorials, step-by-step guide on Sketchware Academy on how everything is done. Thank you for watching this video. So every guidelines is stored here. You can see how it is done. Give the step-by-step guide. Please subscribe.